Heat and friction causes tangling at the nape of your neck. If you want to skirt around that, lessen your tangles and make your wigs last longer, this is what you do. I do a few things. I wear my hair forward. This is going to keep it off of the nape as much as possible. I like to wear really smooth clothing. This is going to help it slide and not get tangly. Cable knit sweaters, no thank you. Leave those for shorter wigs. Go with smooth ones for the long wigs, okay? Silk, it's really nice. Satin even. This is just a performance type material, nothing too crazy, but really, really nice. So that's 1 and 2. Number 3 is keep a water bottle on you at all times. I know that sounds a little bit crazy, but if you're going to be wearing your wig out all day long, take a water bottle, put it in your purse. Water will help separate your fibers, and every single time you brush your wigs, you want to spray water. I have a million wig brushes. I even have more than this. I don't really have a favorite. Yes, I do. It's this one. This is from JB Extension. Maybe I should get some made. It separates the fibers, helping your brush work through it so much easier. No tugging, no pulling. Every time you tug and pull on your synthetic wig strands, what's going to happen is those strands are going to get compromised. They're going to coil. They're going to attract all the other fibers around it, and it's going to make a mess, a bird nest. I rhymed. And that's just not fun. That's gonna make our wigs wear out faster. Leave the mess behind, grab the water, the style's not gonna fall out. Be fresh and ready for the day. Another thing to do is wash your wigs as often as they need to be washed. These are high-end fibers. They look super realistic, but they do need to be washed more often. Very gentle. These ones I like the best because they last the longest. That is what we see right here. And with these ones, I wash my wigs about 2 to 4 times, and then I'm done with the wig. These ones, I wash the wig about 5 to 7 times, and then I'm done with the wig. The fibers do wear out. That's just me and my personal preference. I want my wigs to last as long as possible with the least amount of maintenance as possible. So I hope that this was helpful for you. If it was, definitely give me a like, a follow, a comment, a share, whatever, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.